Prince Chaudhary reporting for Pune Times Mirror. The tree is being pulled down by the PMC. We are on Nagar Road at the Shastri Nagar Chowk. This tree has just been pulled down. As you can see, the entire traffic has been stopped. This was a tree that could have fallen on someone's head. It has been pulled down by the tree department. So the tree department people are here and they have pulled this tree down, which could have fallen on someone's head. So a JCB machine, earth moving machine, has pushed the tree aside. The traffic is still waiting. There's a huge queue behind. We are on Nagar Road. This is the Shastri Nagar Chowk. The JCB machine has been used. The entire tree has been pulled down. The tree is now being pushed to a side to allow the traffic to move. The barricades will now be removed and the traffic can move ahead. This tree was posing a threat. As you know that a lot of trees have fallen during the torrential rains in the past recently. So this could also have fallen on commuters and caused fatalities or serious injuries. As you can see, a lot of traffic is piled up. They're still waiting. The PMC engineer said that this tree has been removed keeping safety of commuters in mind. It has been pushed aside by the JCB machine and now the barricades are being removed for the traffic to flow past. A sigh of relief for the commuters who've been waiting in the hot sun. All the barricades have been removed. The commuters can now go ahead. This was a very necessary action by the tree department. If it had fallen on vehicles, it could have caused very serious injuries. Using chainsaws, the trees will be cut. The chainsaws will chop the trees up. As you can see, some of them have already been chopped. Koitas are also being used to cut the trees into smaller pieces so that it can be removed. The chainsaw is in operation, chopping the branches. Slowly and steadily, all the branches are being cut to make way for the commuters so that the traffic can flow smoothly. So the trees are now being chopped up and moved away so that to allow the traffic to flow. The trees are being cut by the chainsaw and by a koita into smaller pieces so that they can be moved away. The traffic has now started moving. It was a clear and present danger for the commuters as it was hanging right over them. And Pune has seen over 62 huge trees which have come crashing down in the past few days due to the torrential rainfall, unseasonal heavy downpour. Prince Chaudhary signing off for Pune Times Mirror.